What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Chevy remote key fob. This Chevy key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here on the side that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at that space right here where that key just came out of, what I'm going to do is stick the end of the key in that slot, and then I'm going to pry up like this. So put the end of the key in the slot like that, and then pry up, and it splits the two halves of the shell apart. Go ahead and pull those the rest of the way apart, and in the back half of the shell we see our battery right here. And for this part, if you grab yourself a small screwdriver, you can get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder like that. Then we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down like that. And then we'll snap the two halves of the shell back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.